Welcome to our channel Student Solution. Today we are going to see about when two resistors are connected in parallel to the voltage source and what is the branch current flowing through these resistors. We already seen that when the resistors are connected in parallel, the current is divided and the voltage source is same and the voltage drop of resistor R1 is same and voltage drop across the R2 is same. Here we can write it as V of S is equals to I1 into R1, that is equals to I2 into R2. Let us indicate that the current which is passing through the resistor R1 is I1 and the current which is passing through the R2 resistor as I2. Let us know that I is equals to source current is equals to sum of the currents of resistors of individual resistors. That means I is equals to I1 plus I2. This one can be written as V of S by R, that is equivalent resistance, is equals to V of S by R1 plus V of S by R2. Now we can written as R equivalent is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. And this one can be written as R2 plus R1, that is R equivalent. R equivalent is equals to, this is reciprocal, by this formula we can find out the equivalent resistance when two resistors are connected in parallel. When two resistors are connected in parallel. Now we can see about what is the branch current flowing through individual resistors. By the formula, we know that I is equals to I1 plus I2. This formula, by using this formula, we can written as V of S, the voltage across the resistor R1 is same, and V of S by R2. If you take V of S as common, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. By this, if we want to know about branch I1 current, we can written as I1 into R1. By this R1, R2 plus R1. By this we can know the branch current flowing through this. If you want to know branch current I1, we can write it as I1 R1 R2 plus R1 by R1 R2. This is equals to the source current. R1 get cancelled, and what is the remaining here? If we take and go to the left hand side, we get I1 branch current, that is I into R2 by R2 plus R1. Similarly, in the same way, we can write it as branch current I2 as I into R1 by R1 plus R2. What procedure we had done here, similarly we can do for to know the current flowing through the resistor R2 by this procedure. Instead of we have to keep here I2 and R2. This is the complete note what we discussed about when two resistors are connected in parallel and their currents flowing through their resistors. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe. If you want to get notification about new videos from this channel, click on the bell icon. Thank you so much.